Some turmeric. What? This is Persian gold. Turmeric? Who? Saffron, ladies and gentlemen.
Tell me, who you really think is more lyrical? Cause every time I go somebody gotta see the medical, and every time I come I'm eating everything that's edible.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mos. As you don't know, I cook on this channel. Now on the menu for you guys today, what I'm going to be doing is making some pasta with some meat and some Persian sauce by the name of Kash. Now the pasta that I'm going to be using is, I hope I get this right, I probably won't, but it's called Conchiglioni. I don't think I got that right, I do apologize, but I'll show you obviously as the video goes to what type of pasta it is, what I'm going to be using. So yes, without any further ado, make sure you subscribe to the channel, follow me on Instagram as well, and let's begin the show. So the pasta that I was telling you about is these, right? It's these little shells, like seashells or whatever you want to call them. That's what they are. These are amazing. These are going to be good. So let's put that on there. Let's get some hot water action going on. Let's put that there because it's going to spill. Now you want to preheat these. Put it on the oven. Put it on the cook. Right? You want to pre-cook them about 7 minutes roughly, because these are supposed to take 15 to 17 minutes to cook. So let that go on for 7 minutes, and then what you can do meanwhile is get your beef, right? Pinch of olive oil. Oh, I was about to break. Pinch of salt. Okay. You need quite a bit of salt. This is, yeah. Okay. And then you want to get some pepper. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Okay. And then some turmeric. What? This is Persian gold. Turmeric? Who? Saffron, ladies and gentlemen. This is that Persian gold dust. Persian saffron. This bad boy. You ain't got a clue. What you want to do? Turn this on. Get yourself a spoon. Okay. Open it up. Mix it as it's going. Okay. Quite simple, guys. Very simple. Get this heat going. Some time. Okay. Let that cook 7 minutes. We'll be back. Okay, ladies and gentlemen. So this is what our beef looks like. It's pretty much so ready. It's cooked. It's cooked really fast and simple. It's a little bit juicy. I added some water into it just to make it a little bit juicy. What I'm going to do now is just turn it off, take off the heat, and here is our pasta. Okay, get rid of the lid. It's been about 10 minutes, so I'm going to turn that off, drain it, and then I shall be back. Get yourself a container, just like so, right? Try and empty these out here. They are really hot, so I don't want to touch them personally, quite preferably. So what I'm going to do is use a fork and a spoon to separate them. Okay. Now you got to be patient with this one a little bit. It may take some time and effort, but we'll get there at the end and it'll be lovely. So until then, stay seated and remain calm. Now that is done, can you guys still see that? You want to stuff the inside of these, right? And quite simply, get that. Let me bring it a bit closer just so you can see. It doesn't need a lot. Just dip half a spoon in each pocket that you can find. Okay. Some of it may spill, some of it may go to a side, whatever, it doesn't matter. It's all gonna get eaten. It's all lovely, it's all tasty. Guys, this is great for like house party food. When you got like group of people coming around, family dinners, birthdays, whatever. Yeah, just get in there, fill up the pockets. Okay. Just like so, mate. Bada bing, bada boom. You know what I mean? If you want to be really like neat and that, what you can do is wait for it to cool down a little bit so you can actually hold it in your hand and then just pour it in so it's a bit neat and it doesn't go all over the place. But I'm not really fussed. It's all gonna get eaten, so why worry about it? You know? You know? Look at that. Just do your best to not miss out on any of these, because you don't want to try and leave them empty, you know? Go on, mate, get in there. That's it. Where's the... Look, simple as. It's a simple, easy, quick dish to make. Oh, that's brilliant. But we're not done yet. Are we all full up? Pretty much so, yeah. Can you guys see any empty shells? If you do, spot any, let me know so I can go ahead and fill them up. Right, now that that's filled up and we've still got some left, obviously I'm not gonna let it be, right? So here's what you wanna do. Just pour it out, okay? Pour the excess over the top. Right, just like so. Look at that. That's absolutely beautiful. That's done. Just open a packet of red kidney beans, just rinsed it, that's why it's in this Tupperware thing. Just pour it on top, okay? Boom. And now what you want to do is get some foil. Really old foil. Just cover the top. Don't ask what this thing is because I have no clue. It's all I know is that it's really old foil. Okay. Now put this. Where's the oven? Turn it on. Oh, it's hot, so be careful. Don't touch the base. Put it in there. 150, 160. Give it about 5 minutes, 10 minutes. Just so everything heats up together. Bring it out. And then I'm going to show you what the next step is. So guys, now in order to make our sauce, whilst this stuff is in there. This is Kash, okay? I've used this one before. It's a Persian sauce. It comes from the water of yogurt put together, boiled. I don't know, it's a bit complicated to explain what it is. Now, as you can see, it's quite hard, solid, right? So you want to make it a little bit more watery. I'm going to add water in there, okay? And then just use the spoon to mix it up, break it up a little bit, and then we're going to give it a good shake. Okay. Oh, it may spill, so be careful. Cool, what's that coming from? It's quite salty, guys. So you gotta like your salty sauce. This. Right, let me just put this to a side and give it a nice little wiggle. Guys, honestly, the taste of this is beautiful. Just close it. Give it a nice shake. Okay, job done. Now, leaves a stain. There you go. Never mind. What I'm going to do now, it's been what, 7 minutes, 8 minutes? Turn it off, turn the oven off. I'm going to bring out our bad boy. Look at that. Look at that. Right? Now, it looks a little bit plain, doesn't it? So when you garnish it with this sauce, if I can bloody open it, it's a little bit liquidy. There you are, ladies and gentlemen. I'll leave some for later as well, save some for later. But this right here, I don't even know the name of it, guys, to be honest with you. I ain't got a clue what to call it. But let me just bring it up because it's really hot. There you are, ladies and gentlemen. That's your pasta, meat, red kidney beans, and Kash. Bon appetit, share, like, comment, and subscribe, guys. I'll see you in the next video.
Tell me, who you really think is more lyrical? Cause every time I go somebody gotta see the medical, and every time I come